Imagine a world where robots are our friends, helping us in our daily tasks and making our lives easier and more fun. Welcome to the robot world. Here in this vibrant and playful place, robots of all shapes and sizes are buzzing about, each with their unique features and functions. Robots, you see, are not just tin cans on wheels. They're smart, capable, and designed to do a variety of tasks. Some robots help us by doing chores, while others are built for exploration and discovery. There are even robots designed for play, using sensors to interact with us. Isn't that exciting? They're not just machines, but our companions, making our lives better in so many ways. This world is full of wonder and invention, a place where technology and imagination meet. So buckle up for an adventure as we dive into the fascinating world of robotics. Now, are you ready to meet some of our robot friends? Scene script. First, let's meet a robot that loves to help. This is the helper robot. Imagine having a friend who's always ready to lend a hand, or rather, a mechanical arm. This is exactly what the helper robot does. With its sleek design and friendly face, it looks like it's just stepped out of a cool science fiction movie. But this isn't just a movie prop, it's a very real and very helpful robot. The helper robot is designed to assist with all sorts of everyday tasks. Maybe you've misplaced your favorite toy. Well, the helper robot has a built-in scanner to find it, or perhaps you need help reaching a book on a tall shelf. The helper robot's extendable arm can fetch it for you in no time. It can even help with chores like tidying up your room or sorting your laundry. It's like having a personal assistant that never gets tired. But how does the helper robot know what to do? Well, it's all about programming. Robots are given instructions through a process called programming. Think of it as teaching the robot what to do, like how you learn to tie your shoelaces or ride a bike. Only instead of learning from a person, the robot learns from a computer program. Now you might be wondering, but what if I need the helper robot to do something new? No problem at all. The helper robot is designed to learn new tasks. So if one day you decide you want it to help you build a fort out of pillows, you can teach it how. The helper robot is more than just a machine. It's a friend, a helper, and a learner all rolled into one. It's designed to make our lives easier and more fun. And the best part? It's not some far-off future dream. Helper robots are being developed right now in labs all around the world. Isn't the helper robot incredible? Imagine how much easier life would be with a helper robot around. Scene script. Next, we have a robot that's always ready for an adventure. Meet the adventure robot. This is no ordinary robot. It's designed to explore and discover. The adventure robot is built to be curious, just like us. It's got a special design that allows it to move over all kinds of terrain, whether it be rocky mountains, sandy deserts, or even the dark depths of the ocean. What's really amazing about the adventure robot is its ability to gather information from its surroundings. It's equipped with a variety of sensors, just like our own 5 senses, but even more advanced. It can measure temperature, detect movement, and even analyze the composition of rocks or the quality of air. With these sensors, the adventure robot can help us learn about places that are too dangerous or too far for us to explore. But how does the adventure robot know where to go or what to do? Well, it's all thanks to programming. The adventure robot is programmed with a set of instructions that guide its actions. For example, it might be programmed to explore a certain area, collect specific data, or even react to unexpected situations. It's like a treasure hunter, always on the lookout for new discoveries. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need an adventure robot? Well, imagine wanting to explore a deep-sea cave, a distant planet, or a dense jungle. These places might be too risky or impossible for us to reach. But with the adventure robot, we can explore these places safely and learn so much more about our world and beyond. Remember, the adventure robot is not just a machine, but a tool for discovery. It's like our personal explorer, taking us on virtual adventures to places we've never been before. It helps us uncover the mysteries of our planet, and maybe, just maybe, it might even help us find new ones. With the adventure robot, we can explore places we've never been before. Now, let's meet a robot that loves to play. Say hello to the interactive robot. This is no ordinary toy. It's an incredible companion that's always ready for a game. The interactive robot has a sleek design, with a friendly face and a body full of sensors. It's these sensors that enable the robot to respond to touches, sounds, and even gestures. Imagine playing a game of catch with a robot, or teaching it to recognize different objects. The interactive robot can do all of this and more. It's like a futuristic friend who's always up for a game and always ready to learn something new. The function of this robot goes beyond just play. It's about interaction. It's designed to engage with you, react to your actions, and even learn from them. It's not just about having fun, it's about learning and growing together with your robotic buddy. The magic behind this robot lies in its sensors. They work like our own senses, helping the robot to understand its surroundings. For example, touch sensors allow the robot to feel when you're playing with it, just like your skin lets you feel a gentle breeze or a ticklish feather. Sound sensors enable the robot to hear and respond to your voice. So you can have a chat with your robot, or even ask it to play your favorite song. But that's not all. The interactive robot also has vision sensors, which work like eyes, helping the robot to recognize objects and people. The interactive robot is a wonderful demonstration of how robotics can bring joy and learning into our lives. It's not just a toy, it's a friend, a playmate, and a teacher, all rolled into one. Can you imagine what it would be like to have a robot as your playmate? What games would you play? How would you interact with it? The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes the interactive robot so exciting. Playing with the interactive robot is so much fun, isn't it? Now that we've met our robot friends, let's learn some fun facts about robots and make our own robot craft. Did you know that the word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor? This word was first used to describe these mechanical helpers in a play written way back in the 1920s. But don't worry, our robot friends aren't forced to do anything. They're designed and programmed to help us with tasks and make our lives easier. And here's another fun fact. The first digital and programmable robot was invented in 1954, and it was called the Unimate. This robot was used in a General Motors factory to lift hot pieces of metal from a die casting machine. Now that's a job I'm sure glad robots can do. But robots aren't just for heavy lifting. Some robots are designed to explore places that are too dangerous or far away for humans. They've been to the deepest parts of the ocean and even outer space. Now, who's ready to make a robot craft? Grab some paper, scissors, glue, and your favorite colored markers. We're going to make a paper robot friend. First, cut out a large rectangle for the body, a smaller rectangle for the head, and 4 thin rectangles for the arms and legs. Don't forget to cut out 2 small circles for the eyes and a bigger one for the mouth. Once you've got all your pieces, glue them together to create your robot. Now you can use your markers to decorate and personalize your robot. Maybe your robot likes to explore like the adventure robot, or maybe it's a helper like the helper robot. It's all up to you. Remember, just like real robots, your paper robot can be anything you want it to be. Use your imagination and have fun. See, learning about robots can be as fun as playing with them. We've had so much fun today in the robot world, haven't we? We've seen robots that can help us with our chores, robots that can explore places we can't reach, and even robots that can play with us. Each one of these incredible machines has its own special abilities and functions, all designed to make our lives a bit more exciting and a whole lot easier. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of robotics is vast and fascinating, filled with countless wonders waiting to be discovered. So why not dive in and learn more? You might even want to create your very own robot someday. By understanding how robots work, we can imagine and create a future where these amazing machines are our friends, helpers, and playmates. So, keep asking questions, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. Remember, in the world of robots, the possibilities are endless. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.